Intro music and animated logo. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Giay Solution. Dreaming of running your own business? An online store is the perfect place to start. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about online store development. Let's turn that dream into a reality. Transition to screen recording of Giay Solution blog post, https://skySolution.com/online-store-development. So, what exactly is online store development? It's the process of building a digital storefront where you can sell your products or services directly to customers over the internet. It's about creating a user-friendly and engaging experience that drives sales and builds your brand. Quick cuts showcasing examples of diverse online stores, clothing boutiques, food delivery services, digital product marketplaces. Think of it as your own virtual shop, open 24/7, accessible to anyone, anywhere. Now, what are the must-have features for a successful online store? Animated graphic must-have online store features. First, a clean and intuitive design is crucial. Customers should be able to easily find what they're looking for. Secure payment gateways are a must for building trust and ensuring smooth transactions. Mobile responsiveness is non-negotiable. Most people shop on their phones. And finally, robust product management tools make it easy to organize your inventory. B-roll footage of someone easily navigating a mobile-friendly online store, adding items to a cart, and checking out. A seamless and enjoyable shopping experience is key to converting visitors into loyal customers. So, how do you actually develop your online store? You've got options. Animated graphic options for online store development. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce for a quick and relatively affordable setup. For more customization and control, you can hire developers to build a completely bespoke store. Or, if you're on a tight budget, explore dropshipping, where you don't even need to hold inventory. No matter which path you choose, these tips will set you up for success. Animated graphic tips for online store success. Start with thorough market research. Know your audience and your competition. Invest in high-quality product photography and compelling descriptions. Don't underestimate the power of marketing. SEO, social media, and email campaigns are essential. And provide top-notch customer service. Happy customers are your best advocates. B-roll footage of attractive product photos, social media marketing examples, and a customer service interaction. Building a successful online store takes work, but the rewards are definitely worth it. If you're looking for a partner to help you build a truly exceptional online store, Giay Solution is here. Our team specializes in custom online store development, tailored to your specific needs and goals. Screen recording of Giay Solution's online store development services page, highlighting key features and benefits. We handle everything from design and development to marketing and ongoing support. Ready to launch your dream business? Contact Giay Solution today and let's build something amazing.